Shelby County is excited to be launching a project utilizing Deterra Pouches, which can rid any home of dangerous leftover drugs in minutes. Our goal is to reduce the risk of abuse, misuse, and accidental ingestion of leftover medication, especially prescription opioids. We will be distributing the pouches at no cost to residents throughout the county, utilizing Wilson Health, the Shelby County Senior Center, our home-based meals delivery programs, and others. Anyone can destroy unused medications quickly and easily at home with Deterra drug deactivation and disposal pouches. Deterra pouches are proven to destroy unwanted or expired medications safely and permanently, making them unavailable for misuse, abuse, and accidental ingestion. Made from environmentally sound, non-toxic materials, Deterra's plant-based pouches prevent harmful drugs from entering our landfills and water systems. The Deterra pouch can successfully deactivate substances such as fentanyl, ketamine, quetiapine, tramadol, and zolpidem. Free pouches can be picked up at the Shelby County Health Department, the Family Resource Center, the Shelby County Veterans Center, several of our village halls, including Jackson Center and Botkins, and our local independent pharmacies, including Bunny's and Jackson Center Pharmacy. The Deterra pouch is very easy to use. First, you just open it up. Don't take anything out. Put in your expired or unwanted medications. And pour in warm water, about halfway. Give it just a couple minutes to let the process activate, and you may see some bubbling depending upon the kind of medication you have. Then you'll just seal it up and throw it in the trash.